Here are my boys trying to do their tummy time. Trying to balance on their tummies. After this, you're gonna learn how to crawl. See? Look at Tiano. Do it again, baby. You're gonna do it again. See? Balancing. And look at Tiago. Tiago, come on. See? Did you see that? There you go. So they just finished their milky and they're gonna go to sleep in a while. Look at Tiana. Okay, let me go around so they'll see that mommy's here. What's up, boys? What you doing, Tiano? You, Tiago. What's up? Can you do that, Superman? Can you do Superman? Come on, sweetheart. Can you do it? 1, 2, 3. Balance. That's right, Tiano. Tiago. 1, 2. Let go of your other arm. Come on. You can do it, sweetheart. Tiano. Superman? That's so cute. Oh, bless you, baby love. Good boy, Tiano. Good boy, Tiago. Okay, I'll leave you now, okay? Say bye-bye. Get a close-up. Tiago. 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 Hi, love. Tiano. Good job. I'll see you guys later. Enjoy your tummy time.